Unlocking the Mystery of Mixed Conditionals. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve deep into a fascinating part of the English language, mixed conditionals. Don't worry if this term sounds a bit intimidating right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what mixed conditionals are and how to use them effectively in your everyday English. Let's get started. Mixed conditionals are, as the name suggests, a mixture of two different types of conditionals. In English, we have four primary types of conditionals: 0, first, second, and third. Mixed conditionals involve a combination of the second and third conditionals. They allow us to express a hypothetical or contrary to fact condition in the past and its probable result in the present, or vice versa. In a nutshell, mixed conditionals are for discussing imaginary or hypothetical situations that connect the past and the present. Mixed conditionals typically follow two structures. 1. Second conditional in the if clause, past hypothetical situation, and third conditional in the main clause, present hypothetical result. If plus past simple, would plus have plus past participle. Example: if I won the lottery, I would have bought a new car. Third conditional in the if clause, past hypothetical result, and second conditional in the main clause, present hypothetical situation. If plus past perfect, would plus base form of the verb. Example: if you had called me, I would be at the party now. Mixed conditionals are generally used in two scenarios. 1. When we talk about a hypothetical past action that could have influenced the present in some way. The if clause is in the past simple, second conditional, and the main clause is in the perfect conditional, third conditional. Example: if she studied harder, she would have passed the test. 2. When we want to discuss a hypothetical present result of a past condition that didn't occur. The if clause uses the past perfect, third conditional, and the main clause uses the conditional mood, second conditional. Example: if you had saved some money, you would be rich now. And that's a wrap on mixed conditionals. Remember, English is a vast language, and it's perfectly normal to get confused sometimes. But with practice, you'll master these mixed conditionals and use them confidently. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has clarified the concept of mixed conditionals for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, folks!